Exciting announcement. PocketFi new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the PocketFi Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. Early price prediction, 10 cents to 25 cents range. Based on the current buzz, tokenomics, and auction dynamics, analysts are estimating that $switch may debut in the 10 cents to 25 cents range shortly after launch. This estimate is supported by several factors: scarcity from limited initial supply and low liquidity, excitement surrounding the Dutch auction format, community-driven mining incentives that generate demand, market interest in TON-based DeFi projects. That said, the absence of Tier 1 centralized exchange listings could limit exposure in the short term. However, this might actually benefit early adopters by keeping circulating supply low, reducing early sell pressure, and giving the project time to mature organically. Midterm outlook: 3 to 6 months price stabilization likely. As the project begins rolling out features and onboarding new users, the $switch token may enter a period of stabilization. Over the next 3 to 6 months, a price range between 20 cents and 40 cents appears realistic, provided the roadmap milestones are met. Factors that will drive midterm growth include the implementation of staking to reduce sell-side pressure, community participation in governance decisions, adoption by DeFi protocols looking to integrate $switch, the development of meaningful utility for the token beyond speculation. The 51% mining allocation is substantial and could introduce new supply over time. However, if enough of that supply is staked or locked through incentives, inflationary pressure may be kept in check. Tokenomics breakdown, designed for sustainability. PocketFi has carefully structured its tokenomics around long-term sustainability and decentralized governance. After a planned token burn of nearly 2%, the total circulating supply of $switch will be approximately 3.11 billion tokens. Here's how the supply is allocated: 51% allocated to mining rewards, 20% reserved for the core team, 13% designated to the treasury, 9% allocated to launch pool initiatives, 7% reserved for liquidity. This distribution framework heavily favors community participation. The largest share is set aside for mining, which will incentivize active engagement with the ecosystem. Meanwhile, the relatively small allocations for launch and liquidity may create initial price scarcity, further driving demand during early trading. The structure signals PocketFi's intent to prioritize long-term contributors and discourage speculative short-term behaviors. Dutch auction, a smarter model for token distribution? PocketFi's decision to use a Dutch auction model is one of the more innovative aspects of its launch strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and on the PocketFi in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **